outside of the Tazmel ruins. These are, I believe, Mayan ruins. And I'll do some walking around, see what we can find. It's my first ruins bonus. Let's see if we get the green light to fly the drone. All right, the Elmer effect was in full effect again. This time, we were actually waiting on the outside to see, and they said no. Elmer comes up after he parks the car, and he says, surely there's got to be a way to make this happen. And they said, yeah, you can if you stay on the outside of these gates that you're seeing right here. And so was able to take off. The funny part is that earlier, Desiree and Jesse and Lily and Elmer went in and scouted a guy who actually had a drone that he was flying around kind of illegally, wasn't allowed to do it because he didn't have permission. It just pays to ask for permission on the front end. You'll get way more content. You don't have to feel like a criminal. Just, guys, follow the rules. Do the right thing. Don't try to be crazy and ruin it for all the other drone pilots. So after we got the drone content, did a walkthrough with the Pocket 2, and it's a really beautiful, amazing part of history as well. Yes, dear. Thank you, dear.
Lily, let me take your picture. I'm so proud of you.
Wow.
Lily,
This is
wow.
intense. These are big steps.
Yeah, this is lava. I mean, made by lava rock. Oh, is it? They use something because look, these are rocks and they use their own cement. This is cement, no? Their own mixture of cement, or no? Yeah. Or is this? I don't know. They use some kind of.
This will be a cool picture too. I'm out of breath.
Oh, man.
Incredible.
Yeah, they're just burying someone.
Where? Over here?
Over there in the
Cypress long.
Oh. Yeah, I was.
All right, be careful going down, please, everyone, including
Oh,
myself.
I don't want to. Boy.
Yeah, I was. Wow, this is happening. Sure, that.
Yeah, with all the traffic and stuff ruining it.
Right there, look, right there, literally right in front of you. It's right there.
Right there.
See the lizard?
No.
It's right here.
Oh, yuck.
Un garrobo?
Yeah, iguana. There you go.
But look at that, they put it right on top of the. This rocks, yeah.
So they definitely put something over it. Yeah, look, you can tell.
Oh my gosh.
This is, we're probably like at the top layer of this. That means this goes down.
Yikes. Why? I'm so intrigued and confused a little bit.
Molded by hand. Covering all this in the 70s.
This is cool. I just got video. Sorry, you want a picture? Take your picture?
So I feel like I haven't really truly like ventured into like discovering my ancestors and its roots, right?
Mhm.
Like really digged in. I mean, I have to like, but I think it's been more surface level, if that makes sense. But just being here and thinking about like people actually went near a volcano or volcanic area to pick up rocks, and then they brought the rocks back in this area with my assumption if that's what they did, right? And then they started stacking these. And two things, right? What motivates a group of people to go get rocks?
Yeah.
Lava rocks is one, right? Two
Right.
things. Their worship of whatever their deity it was, right? And there maybe like my sacrifice and my worship, and maybe it could have been like a pilgrimage. It could have been taught to all the families that in order for you to worship this deity, you have to do a pilgrimage to this volcanic area and then bring rocks, right? I'm just thinking
Yeah.
it could be a possibility. Two, maybe they were slaves that they conquered and made them go do this pilgrimage, right? There's that part. What is that over there? Or is that a squirrel? Yeah, it's a squirrel.
Oh boy, that scared me.
Yeah, I see a squirrel. And then you saw it. That's the ADHD over
Squirrel.
there. That's squirrel, right? Yeah.
Literally squirrel.
Yeah, squirrel. Slaves
Yeah.
that went and grabbed it. Or third, expanding and thinking is, was there a volcano near this area or near this site that's just was active and it was easier to grab and build? I don't know. But if you know, comment down below. Just saying.
Lávenlo bien. Tienen que lavarlo.
Bueno, mira él.
Lávenlo bien.
Okay.
¿Por qué? He said wash it really good. And look at it.
You're gonna have to get those, Lily.
After he's done.
Está bueno.
Los monos todos saben. La música
It's a cool little like Aztec Mayan thing. I was like, ¿cuántos? She's like, 25. I was like, oh, 25.